So our grid line is made. Now we will give caption to these grid lines. For that we will use circle. Circle we have 3 point, 2 point and central. This time we will take 2 point. First point is here and second point is at the rate of 800. Angle minus 90. This is the 800 diameter circle. And now we will go for text. For text we have to annotate in text style. Manage textiles. Okay, the dialog box is open. Now we will create new text. We'll name it like Roman S. Okay, the font will be selected from this pull down menu and I will be Roman simplex. Apply. Again, one text we will make for our dimension so that difference between dimension and text will be, and for that we will only change this 1 to 0.9 scale factor so that you can excuse the text written for dimension. Yes. Okay, we have to make this line current. This style current. Okay, again we will go to annotate this on a textile and the Roman is set current approach so that this, now we will write text. For text this is single line text and this is just click here justify. This will be middle center. So this circle and height will be 4 times this scale 400. So 0 we will write 1. Okay, and we will select these both and our properties will change these here to port. Okay, and we will copy these and point of LED line. Okay, you can also copy this to shift control here. Okay, when no required to control, that's a control. You just go to and point out each carefully each line. Okay, now the labels will be 1, 2, 3. This time we will do manually, but we have a program for this. Maybe you have seen on YouTube also, but that will not require this time. Okay, this is A. This is A, capital A, capital B, capital C, capital D, capital E, and F. So we have labeled the text, label the grid. Okay.